Hello students, today we are going to use scissors and ballpoint pen to practice and then make a new art project inspired by Day of the Dead. You're going to use scissors and cut up from the bottom of a tall, skinny paper. You'll see that makes a flap. And I'm deciding that I want my flaps to be a little bit longer, and you will see why soon. Now, whenever I'm cutting, it's best to cut from the outside of the paper in. So instead of turning my scissors in there, I'm going to cut from the side and cut off those two little tabs. This kind of gives me like a robot skull shape, which you could use for this project. But for today, see if you can practice curve cutting off the corners. I'm moving my left hand and turning the paper while I am closing the scissors to make a curve-y cut. Slow turning and slow long snips on all of the corners to make the edges rounded. Now we're going to practice with a ballpoint pen because we'll be using these later. And you are going to draw the parts of a skull that will be turned into a sugar skull. Draw a line across the bottom jaw. Draw bumps for teeth above and below. You're going to draw 2 large circles for eyes. And then an upside down V will start your nose. And then you can always flip it upside down if that's easier for you to do 2 bumps so that the nose on a skull looks like an upside down heart. And now you can choose how you want to decorate your skull so that it becomes a sugar skull. Usually there is something inside of the eyes, and there is something on the forehead, and there is something on the cheekbones, and there is something on the chin. You might have things going around the eyes, and you might make up a totally strange design. This is just your experimentation paper. Once you're finished drawing the skull, you may get some markers and color it in however you like. But again, this is our practice, and we will be gluing it into our sketchbook because the next step of the project is going to be with a piece of styrofoam that is the same size as the paper we are experimenting with. And when we cut it, we will be doing the same exact technique, slicing up, cutting in, and decorating it. So we will do that step next.